Want to give you a little tip on walking on your commercial metal roof. So if you have to come up here to service the AC units or your HVAC guys are servicing them, you want to walk where the screws are. You see there's a line of screws right here. There's a line of screws right here, right there, and about every 5 feet there's a line of screws. So that's where the purlins are. That's the structural part of the roof. So there's nothing supporting this metal other than the metal itself between this line and this line. So if you walk in between, you can see right here all of these kinks in the metal where people have stepped in between, not only in between the purlins, but also stepped on the top part of the rib. You want to step down in the flat part because that's not going to flex as much. And it's more pronounced around the AC units because when you cut the panel to go around the AC units, it loses some of its structural integrity. And then not only is it weaker there, but that's where most of your foot traffic is when you're coming up to change filters or service your HVAC units. So you want to make sure you walk where the long lines of screws are, because otherwise you're going to cause kinks, and then the metal is going to bend and it's actually going to crack right there. So if you see all of these little caulk spots, all of those ones, it's another one there, that's where the metal has actually bent and kinked enough to the point that it cracks, and it can absolutely cause leaks. So if you're going to walk up here, walk where the long lines of screws are, not these small screws in between. Those are just holding the panels together. But the long line there, that's where you want to walk when you're traversing across the roof. And if you can't walk there, then step down in the low part of the rib. Don't step on the rib itself because that's going to damage it.